HTZ stock analysis and HTZ stock prediction. So what I'm doing here is just showing you my exact play, and with Hertz Global Holdings, bro, it's such a decent kind of correction, and I'm just hoping that I see some sort of like a double break or something, so I can at least take it up. And I myself, having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've personally seen what's printing me money and what's not. So with this in particular, I'm just gonna get rid of this previous bias, because I mean that delivered, but it was very choppy. And just so we can have more clarity, just so I can have more clarity, unless I see a full-on break above 665 or something, then I'm not looking to take it up. Very simple. That's the top. It's confirmation. If I don't see this shift, bro, I'm not buying. Like, people are gonna come here, overcomplicate stuff, but you don't really have to. You know what I mean? So all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting. Just stick to the basics. That's what I'm doing. And if you want to learn how I make you 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.